7-in-1 curling wand set. This curling iron kit includes 7 different interchangeable curling iron barrels. 4x clipless barrel 0.35-0.98 inch for small ampersand medium curls. 1x 1 inch bubble wand for spiral textured waves. 2x barrels with clamp 1.25 inch for beach curls ampersand loose large curls. Different hairstyles with one tool. Tourmaline Ceramic Technology. This professional iron set provides the best styling results. Help to seal moisture into your hair, protect cuticles, and reduce hair static and frizz. This will keep your hair safe and smooth with shiny curls lasting all day long. Fast heat up and adjustable temperature curling iron set. Barrel heats in 30s. Each high-powered styling tool with visible temperature settings features an easy-to-read digital LCD screen, controls the temperature by press plus, and simultaneously to switch temperature display from 140-430. Suitable for all hair types from short, medium and long hair to thin, fine, normal, thick and coarse hair.